All right, so that is blue eye. It's a very Tasmanian fish. I'm gonna serve it with some charred cos hearts or gem hearts, so baby gem lettuce. We're gonna char them over a griddle. So fire up our griddle pan. I wanna prepare these just by drizzling a little bit of oil on each one. And charred lettuce is something that probably I didn't see and didn't think of cooking for a long time, and then it started turning up in restaurants. And cooking lettuce, I think, is something that catches a lot of people by surprise, but it's really nice. A little bit of salt on each one of those. So once I get some heat into that, these will go in cut side down. They'll only cook for probably 3 or 4 minutes, just until we get those bar marks, and you want it to be really hot. This should be smoking. Once you get those bar marks on that cut side of the lettuce, it's done. You don't turn it over and cook the other side. It's just that cut side that we're trying to char. My lettuce hearts have come out. I'm just going to sit them there while I prepare my fish. So I've portioned my fish up. A little bit of oil on it. And then into my pan. So because that's so dense and so big, it's going to take probably 8 minutes to cook. I'll cook while I wait for that to cook and get them in the oven. I can finish off my cos hearts. So they've just come off, so they're still nice and warm. And a little drizzle of lemon juice on each one. A pinch of salt. It's important to try and do this while it's still warm. Spread that mayonnaise on top. Last one. Pistachios. Just want like a pistachio crumb. Okay. So sprinkle that on each one. Probably 1 more minute on that side. Turn it over into the oven for another 3 or 4 minutes. Then it can come out and we'll get the dish ready. Turn my oven off and take my fish out. 2 pieces of cos on the plate. Wedge of lemon, so you can add your own if you need it. All right, I'm pretty happy with both of those plates.